Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today we are going to know about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. As today is the Children's Day, Bal Divas, which is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care and education of children. It is celebrated on 14th November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. It's the 128th birthday of country's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. While the children of today would not remember the man or the achievements, they do remember his birthday, for it is celebrated as Children's Day across the country. Pandit Nehru is famous as Chacha Nehru. So children, let us know more about Nehruji in the form of a GK. Are you ready children? Let us proceed. The Jawaharlal Nehru. When was Jawaharlal Nehru born? The Nehru was born on 14th November 1989. So that's why today is the 128th birthday of Nehru. Okay. So when was Jawaharlal Nehru born? 14th November 1989. Where was Jawaharlal Nehru born? Okay, at Allahabad. Jawaharlal Nehru was born at Allahabad. Which college did Jawaharlal Nehru attend? His college days in Trinity College. Okay, which college did Jawaharlal Nehru attend? Trinity College. See how beautiful it is. He belongs to royal family. From where Jawaharlal Nehru had completed his studies for a barrister. Jawaharlal Nehru had completed his barrister at London University. Okay, London. When was Jawaharlal Nehru first elected as Congress President? Okay, he was the first Prime Minister of independent India. So when was Jawaharlal Nehru first elected as Congress President? In 1929, Lahore. Okay. When did Jawaharlal Nehru die? Jawaharlal Nehru died in year 1964 on May 27th. Okay. Where is the resting place of Jawaharlal Nehru? The resting place of Jawaharlal Nehru? Shantivan. Okay. What is the name of Jawaharlal Nehru's mother? Jawaharlal Nehru's mother name was Swarup Rani Thusi. She is the mother of Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the name of Jawaharlal Nehru's father? Jawaharlal Nehru's father, Motilal Nehru. He is the Motilal Nehru. What is the name of newspaper which is started by Jawaharlal Nehru? National Herald. The National Herald. This is the newspaper started by Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the name of autobiography of Jawaharlal Nehru? An autobiography. It is the autobiography of Jawaharlal Nehru. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? The famous book. The Discovery of India by Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Who was the longest serving Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru was the longest serving Prime Minister of India. For many years he served India. What is the name of Jawaharlal Nehru's sister who became the first female President of United Nations General Assembly? She is Vijayalakshmi. Okay, the first female President of United Nations General Assembly. What was Jawaharlal Nehru's favorite flower which he always wore on his coat? Okay, many of us identify him by seeing this rose. Okay, rose is his favorite flower which he always wore on his coat. The position of Jawaharlal Nehru in the interim government. He was the vice president. Letters from a father to his daughters was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Letters from a father to his daughter. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru. Forward by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Letters from a father to his daughters was translated to Malayalam by Ambadi Ikkavamma. Okay, she translated letters from a father to his daughters to Malayalam. Okay. Salt suddenly became a mysterious word, a word of power. These words were spoken by Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, salt suddenly became a mysterious word, a word of power. Okay. These words were spoken by Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the president of All India State People's Conference in 1939? It was Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, State People's Conference, president of All India State People's Conference in 1939, Jawaharlal Nehru. The light has gone out of our lives. Who said this on Gandhi's death? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, he said, the light has gone out of our lives. Jawaharlal Nehru's an autobiography is also known as Toward Freedom. Okay, so the autobiography of Jawaharlal Nehru is also known as Toward Freedom. What is the title of the biography of Nehru written by Shashi Tharoor? Nehru, the Invitation of India. Okay, it is the title. Nehru, the Invitation of India. Shashi Tharoor. Nehru was trained to be a barrister at Inner Temple. Where is Inner Temple? This is the Inner Temple image. See. So it is located at London. Okay. Tryst with Destiny. Tryst with Destiny is a speech delivered by Jawaharlal Nehru. So it is the speech Tryst with Destiny, full speech with subtitles. What incident affected Nehru's political standing and his health? The war with China in 1962. So it affected the Nehruji's health. What is that incident? The war with China in 1962. Which political thinker's philosophy influenced Nehru in framing his approach to government and the economy? So it was Karl Marx. Karl Marx. So his thinking was influenced by the Jawaharlal Nehru's thinking was influenced by this man, Karl Marx. Educated in England at Harrow and Cambridge, what occupation did Nehru qualify for? Barrister, that is lawyer. How many times was Nehru nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize? Okay, his name was nominated 11 times for Nobel Peace Prize. How many times did Jawaharlal Nehru go to jail? 9 times he went to jail. Who produced and directed a TV series, Bharat Ek Khoj, that was based on Jawaharlal Nehru's famous book Discovery of India? Shyam Benegal. So that serial was directed by Shyam Benegal. In which place Jawaharlal Nehru organized the first Kisan March? At Parat Garf. At Parat Garf, Kisan March was held. Where is the Jawaharlal or Jawahar Planetarium on his name? Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This is the Jawahar Planetarium. Okay, where? In Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad. To develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform is one of the fundamental duties of an Indian citizen. Who was the first to use the phrase scientific temper? It was Jawaharlal Nehru who used the term scientific temper. Okay. So to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform, okay, is one of the fundamental duties of an Indian citizen. Okay, it was said by Jawaharlal Nehru, who used the phrase scientific temper. Name the recipient of the Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding. U Thant. Children, U Thant. So a bright spot against a dark background. Who said so about Jhansi Rani? So it was said by Jawaharlal Nehru. Jhansi Rani, a bright spot against a dark background. Okay. The fourth All Kerala Political Conference held at Payanur, presided over by Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, the fourth All Kerala Political Conference under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is situated at Maharashtra, Mumbai. The port of Maharashtra, okay, it is named as Jawaharlal Nehru Port. It is situated at Maharashtra, Mumbai. Jawaharlal Nehru was called architect of democratic India. Okay, who was called architect of democratic India? Jawaharlal Nehru. The light has gone out of our lives. Who said this on Gandhi's death? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who first proposed solution for the Indian subcontinent known as the May Plan was rejected by Congress leader Jawaharlal Nehru on the grounds it would cause the balkanization of India. Okay, it is Mountbatten was first proposed the solution for the Indian subcontinent known as the May Plan. It was rejected by Congress leader Jawaharlal Nehru on the grounds it would cause the balkanization of India. Okay, so who proposed that May Plan means Mountbatten. In December 1929, the Congress held its annual session at Lahore under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, 1929. Okay, Congress held its annual session at Lahore under the presidency of Jawaharlal Nehru. The greatest success of Jawaharlal Nehru's non-committal international politics was the formation of NAM, non-aligned movement. Okay, because of this only the greatest success he attained. Okay, NAM, who declared that his ultimate aim was to wipe every tear from every eye. Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, every tear from every, he want to wipe every tear from every eye. Who was the political mentor of Jawaharlal Nehru during his early political career in Indian National Congress? It was Mahatma Gandhi who guided him. Mahatma Gandhi. He is the political mentor. He is the political mentor for Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, ideal leader who was inspired Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the Congress president when Jawaharlal Nehru was appointed as the chairman of the National Planning Committee constituted by INC? Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, who introduced the first no confidence motion against Jawaharlal Nehru government? J.B. Kripalani. He is the J.B. Kripalani. Okay, it's the first no confidence motion against Jawaharlal Nehru government he introduced. Who performed the role of Jawaharlal Nehru in the first in the film Gandhi? Roshan Seth. Roshan Seth, he played the role of Nehru in the film Gandhi. The first person to appear on coins in independent India, Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the name of Jawaharlal Nehru's wife? Kamala Nehru. To whom Jawaharlal Nehru dedicated his autobiography? To his wife Kamala Nehru. Which part of the constitution was prepared by Jawaharlal Nehru? preamble, the preamble of the constitution was prepared by Jawaharlal Nehru. Who moved objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly? Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of India when national emergency was declared for the first time in India. It was in the year 1962. National emergency. What is the meaning of Jawahar? Jawahar means jewel. When did Nehru got Bharat Ratna, the popular award? In 1955. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1955. Who was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru? Indira Gandhi. The birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru is observed is Children's Day. Chacha Nehru's birthday, Bal Divas. Okay? Happy Children's Day. Why we celebrate Children's Day? On the occasion of Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. When did Jawaharlal Nehru died? 27th May 1964. What was the cause of Jawaharlal Nehru's death? It is a severe heart attack. Okay? Okay, children, please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for other information regarding online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding skills. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.